There are several ways in which we can take unintelligent paper documents and turn them into usable documents that are stored into our enterprise management platforms or locally or cloud storage with folder and file naming intelligence built into them. The first approach we'll take a look at is simple OCR text mining, in which zones that are specific to a target field are defined within the document. The next one is where we can take a broader look at an area, set up and use regular expression regex patterns to find, again, the text we're looking for. And we're going to be demonstrating that with the ImageRamp and COBOL Connect products. And then finally, there's a whole evolving world around automatic classification, splitting, and the extraction using machine learning and artificial intelligence. The simplest form of automating your conversion of paper documents into intelligent digital form is the use of OCR zones. And in this world, we would create predefined regions within a document that map to a particular field. In this example, we have 3 fields, and the OCR is reflected back to us color-coded based on the confidence level. So our invoice number and ship to fields are high confidence, so green, and then our customer ID is orange and moderate confidence. So that gives us a simple visualization of where we may want to focus our quality attention. So we'll go ahead and index it, and then the next document will load. And again, we have high confidence for our invoice number and ship to, and they are placed into our fields, and then our customer ID is correct but moderately confident. A more advanced form of OCR, Zonal OCR, is the use of a broader region and the introduction of using regular expressions or pattern matching. And in this case, we have a region in the upper right in which we have a invoice with order number, customer number, so forth, and we have defined some keywords or match phrases or anchor points, anchor words, as well as a regular expression script. Regular expressions allow us to formulate a word pattern, for instance, how many digits, what digits are allowed, dashes, and so forth, so that it will correctly select the appropriate text. And in this situation, we have color-coded the OCR extraction and to match up with the field. So invoice or order number is yellow, customer number is blue, and our date, order date, is green. And finally, the most advanced form of document capture automation is through the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence AI engines, in which little to no training is required, and they can extract data from a broad mix of invoices, waybills, receiving notes, and so forth. Here we can see that the invoice date was captured from the header, but the invoice number it probably went with a higher confidence registration of invoice number down within the line item area. You can also do things like line item extraction and comparing that to the total amount extracted from the document, and perform all kinds of additional checks and balances on your data to determine whether to accept it or throw it back to a QA process.